Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYDY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some house cleaning needs to be done. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of these levels. Sure, they pertain. They're just not really relevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first big update that comes about, though, is that the price actually broke down below that pink line there, which, is on my chart represents the 200 period moving average. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when prices are up above it, then from the bullish side of things, you want to see the price stay above it and see it act as support. And to be fair, earlier on in the day, it did a great job of acting as support. Problem is, once the price fell below it right there, then there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's exactly what happened here. You can see several times all afternoon long, price try to get above that pink line and, could never quite do it. Am I saying that the price can never, ever get back up above the 200 period moving average again? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is now struggling right up around that 283 mark, because that's the current value of the moving average. So 283 is going to be that first key level of resistance to watch going into Tuesday. If the price can get a break up above that level, then the next key area to watch from the resistance side of things at that point would be right up there at the $3 mark. Whoops. Let's try that again. So again, first key level is going to be that 200 period moving average, but then if the price can break above there, next key area would be up at $3. As far as levels of support are concerned, price did a good job of finally stabilizing out here right around 273. So 273, first key level. If that level can hold up, I'm not saying it's dropping straight down to the 250-ish area, but I mean, technically speaking, there just simply isn't any other areas of support down around there. So, definitely, preferably speaking, you want to see the price stay above that green line, but we'll see what happens with it. Only Monday, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.